Boo. Hey, what's going on, folks? Your Weekend Gardener here, and I got a special guest.
Hello.
Introduce yourself if you like.
I'm Marjorie, aunt.
Your
niece.
Yeah.
My niece.
I'm niece of
Okay.
Evie.
Yeah, so she is Brazilian, and she's never had a mangosteen before. This is a little teeny mangosteen. Usually they're bigger.
Okay.
So what I'm going to do, since I know what the inside looks like, I'm going to see if I can cut around and then pull the wig off.
Is that a knife?
No.
Is it like something hard in the middle?
No. That's why I'm being very careful.
Okay.
So when I
It's
pull,
not.
yeah. So what I do is I cut around, and then I pull the wig off. That's the wig.
Okay.
Oh,
Ooh.
the butt came off, not the wig. Okay, so the inside, like purplish color. Inside looks like a lashia. And what's the other white one? It's lashia and the one that look with the spines on it.
Papaya.
No.
No. Alicia.
It looks like a lashia. It's red, but it has a whole bunch of spikes on it.
It starts with P, I think.
Yeah. I'll put the name down in the description, but it's part of the lashia family. So what I'm going to do is, this is your piece. And you're going to tell, she's never had this before, so she's going to tell you all what it tastes like.
Look at her face.
Can I already get it?
Yeah, go ahead. Go for it.
Can I like...
Try it.
It's really good.
Mangosteen. I can't believe you never had mangosteen before.
I don't even know what this is, to be honest.
You can use this to help you to take out.
And it should have a seed or something in the middle.
Yeah.
It's really good.
Okay.
Is it Brazilian?
It's South Asian. But I see a lot of this in Brazil.
Oh my god, it tastes perfect.
Usually bigger. These are teeny. These look like cherries. What do you give it?
It tastes perfect. 9.8.
0.8. Okay, that's different. Yeah, this is very good.
Oh, it's really good.
Yeah.
Like, it's not that sweet, and it's not that sour. It's like the perfect mix. It's perfect.
Okay, you heard it. Your Weekend Gardener. If you see mangosteen in the store and they're this small, grab a whole bunch. Make sure you don't let them sit too long, because they don't spray their fruits here with preservatives like we do in America. You know, this will stay on the shelf probably for like a month in America. Here, you got maybe a week to eat this, but very good. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. Your Weekend Gardener. Marjorie, we out.
Bye-bye.
Very good.